Hey everyone, Brett here, and welcome back to this IBM Engineering Test Management series, where today I'm going to show you how to build out a quick report to show you what percentage of test cases pass and what percentage of test cases fail. And a really cool feature is you're able to go ahead and click into these past test cases and see which test cases or test scripts have passed. So now to get started, let me go ahead and clear this up here. Go underneath the Execution tab, and underneath Browse, click on Test Case Execution Records. We're going to go ahead and we are going to make a query. Reason being is the report is going to run against the query, and then it's going to display how many have passed and how many have failed. And there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this query, but in general, go down to this Save icon, this floppy disk down here, click on Save, and then throw in a name here. Make sure you check off shared here. If you don't check off shared, it will not appear on the next screen for the configuration. If you want to save this query underneath a folder, you can do so here. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK. Now hop back over to your dashboard, and there's two different ways you can get there. You can either come up to Project Dashboards and select it there, or you can go ahead and select this browser tab that was just created. For dashboard tabs, this dashboard window is just getting a little bit busy for me, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new dashboard tab. If I double click on the name of it, I can rename it here. And then now we're going to go ahead and click on Add Widget, and there's two places that we can add the widget, here and here. And the widget that you want to search for is Test Statistics, and then go ahead and click on Add once you found that. Just a heads up, if you're not able to find this widget, make sure on this dropdown you have selected QM, Quality Management, or Engineering Test Management. This is where this specific widget is living. And make sure you subscribe to keep updated as new videos are released showing how to create these really easy and simple reports. But now I'm going to go ahead and click X right there, and we're going to go ahead and select our query. It's going to pre-populate a lot of the information for us, but underneath Artifact Type, go ahead and select Test Case Execution Records. Underneath Query, select the query that we just went ahead and created. Underneath Grouping Attribute, make sure you select the last result. And then Report Type, we're going to go ahead and change this to a pie chart. Then go ahead and click on OK. And one thing I just want to note is I had autosave automatically checked off here. If you don't, any changes that you make, like adding a widget, making a modification here, you'll have to manually press save to make sure that it had saved to the specific dashboard tab, so that way you don't have to go ahead and re-add this widget and select the configuration again. It's entirely up to you if you want to auto save or not. I just find it in my personal workflow, it's just a little bit easier to auto save. And to show you that this widget has the functionality as before, go ahead and click on there and I can see that specific information. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find my contact information in the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe. There are new videos uploaded every week.